Hello friends, hope you are doing good. I am good here. So all these weeks we have been talking about how to treat ourselves, who is important, what is important, how to change our attitude, how to change anything positively, and how to treat others, how to give a constructive feedback to others, and what all we should appreciate. So apart from all these topics, there is one important thing which is the core for all these things, that is health. When wealth is lost, nothing is lost, but when health is lost, everything is lost. Your health or our health is very, very important to stay positive and motivate others. So when we have proper diet or when we eat properly on the day or lunch or dinner, so it is going to indirectly impact our thought process. If we are starving and if we are asked to do something, we are not going to do it right, if I am not wrong, right? So every time you have to pay special attention to your health. You should feed in with lot of water or sufficient food so that it can think positively. Whenever you are not eating properly, your thought process will be on the negative side or how to do it in a shortcut. So that's how it is going to work out. And similarly, coming to the kids, so when they are sitting for the studies, please make sure they are having sufficient food or drinkable things and then they are sitting for the studies, because that alerts their mind and that makes it to absorb lot of learnings into their mind. It is not just for the kids, and even for any professional. When we go for a meeting and if we have sufficient water or tea or any of the small drinks and you sit and attend the meeting, you are going to get benefited a lot than you sitting there without any water or starving there. Also, you are going to focus on giving constructive feedback when you are relaxed, your body is fully nourished. So always pay attention to your health. It is not just about the food as well. You make sure you are going for a walk or going for a jogging based on your age category. And for the food aspect, so if you are a kid, yeah, you have to eat a lot of fruits, a lot of healthy things. And when it comes to an elderly person, yes, you have to be very cautious with what you are eating. But that doesn't stop you, because that is going to enable you to act much better. So don't take it like, okay, I'm eating less, I'm getting old. No, that is not the case. You are eating less for your body condition. So be happy with what you are doing. And when it comes to sports, so at least pick one sport so that your body is, all the muscles are active, they are all utilized. So when you come to thought process, which is one of the main areas, the brain is controlling all our body, right? So when you eat properly and exercise, you are indirectly grooming your brain towards a positive aspect. Okay, so stay healthy, eat well, drink lot of water. In this COVID situation, you all stay at home, so feel free to have a bottle of water always near you. And whenever you are hungry, eat healthy food, avoid junk foods. Yes, you can have now and then, but always prefer healthy food. Okay, so stay strong, stay positive. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.